Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable Hey Copilot AI feature on your Windows 11 system. If you want to use Windows 11 Copilot conversation feature, then here are the process. Open Copilot feature in your Windows 11 system. Simply go to Windows search, type Copilot and open it. You may directly open from taskbar. Go to your Copilot page and here from the bottom left corner you will find your profile icon. Click on it and choose settings. In settings page, scroll down and look for the option voice mode. Go to the section voice mode. Scroll down and you will find voice mode, and here you will find the option listen for Hey Copilot to start a conversation. Simply turn the toggle button on to enable Hey Copilot conversation feature in your Windows 11 system. Now you can ask Copilot directly from your voice. You can choose any Hey Copilot and ask Copilot for any problem of